Record your screen in PowerPoint to easily share and explain information that's on your display. Select Insert, Screen Recording. Choose Select Area. Click and drag the cross-haired cursor over the area you want to record. Select Record to start recording. When you're finished, select Stop. Your recording is added to the slide. Press play to watch it. Want to save your capture as its own file? Right-click the video frame and select Save Media As. Enter a file name and select Save. To make changes to your video, right-click on the video frame and select Style to change the style. Select Trim to shorten your video. Select Start to set how your video starts.